Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. To begin a great relationship, know what you want. Know what the needs of your body are and what the needs of your mind are, and what fits well with you. There are millions of men and women, and some of them will make a good match for you and others won't. The two of you only need to be like a key and a lock, a match that works. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials close down 362. NASDAQ off 64. S&P's down 27. Not sure where they got the red paint, but we got some red paint. Sherwin-Williams must have ran out of green paint, folks. Gold contract down 320, trading at 13.37. We have silver at $17.09. Light sweet crude down $1.18, $64.38 a barrel. We will have the API numbers coming out at 4:30 this afternoon, folks. We'll see where that shakes out. Notes: 10-year note down 5 ticks, 121.20. 30-year bond off 23, 147.13. King dollar down 81 ticks, trading at 89.05. The euro is at 123, almost 124 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 108.82 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, so we're at a 28.24. So you come off the highs. Bottom line, we take a look at the volume out here. What I expect you're going to see some volume. We're 914 million inside the NYSE. We take a look at the composite, NASDAQ composite also. Now the composite gapped off the highs. So bottom line is that that's always dangerous when you're gapping off highs. And I can make the case, actually, this is pretty interesting, actually. You can make the case that you get a little island top inside the composite, because what you have two separate windows. You get the window when we gapped higher on the 23rd, and now we just gapped lower out here. So we take a look at the composite. The composite out here, 2.1 to 2 billion. Bottom line, that is saying that you could very well get some follow through on the way down. We're going to have a huge amount of earnings coming out. And we're going to have the ones that we're talking about can move markets. If we go over and just look at Facebook, Facebook is coming out tomorrow, 4:15. Facebook's trading at 187 out here. Traded down as low as 181 today. Rejected lower price. This still looks like it's in a consolidation, though. It's a consolidation that is higher. There's no doubt about that. But the consolidation is out there with the 82 to 175 game. Now, what Facebook did out here, let's go to Bitcoin for a second, because with Facebook has been doing a lot of announcements, XBT, what their operating system was, what they want to do. Bitcoin today, took a hit. That's down $1,129. You're trading 10,077 right now. You get a high volume spike at 91.85. You have a gap that's opened at 83.28. Now, let's take a look at this, because what you also have is that you had Ripple down 12%, you had Ethereum down 9%, you had Litecoin down 8%. Now, you can see inside the CBOE, where they trade futures inside the Bitcoin market, and the CME, where they trade futures, that we had an expansion up here today. This is pretty cool watching this. So when you're looking at the CME, folks, if you're watching Tiger TV, you have to multiply that times 5. The reason being is that the CME trades in 5 lots, so that'd be like approximately 50,000 per contract, where the CBOE trades in 1. So bottom line is that what you have there, those are the volume stats that we do have and will have going forward. So when we take a look at going all the way up to the price point of this 19,000, it's going to be intriguing watching this whole thing shake out. So what Facebook decided to do today is that they are banning ads tied to Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, and they're doing an overview to see basically, if they want to take these ads anymore. because of the amount of fraud that actually is out there in many of these things. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract out here. We are in the J contract right now. This just rolled over. Gold down $4.30, trading $1,340. 395,000 contracts. Now we got to catch a bid. We're going right back to where we broke out from. We broke out on this contract at 1326, and right now you are at the 1340. So we'll see how it handles that number. If we go over to the GDX and see how some of the equities handled that number, that's good. Okay, 37 million. We had a contraction of volume. We did 59 million yesterday. It did 37 today. What this does need, though, is that now you need a rejection of lower price. 23.39. Well, you know what? Yeah, you slightly had it today. It's a close call, but you did get it. So we'll see if the market basically wants to catch a bid. We go into the dollar index. The dollar index certainly continues to get sold. The index out here today, what we had is that it got to a high of 89,480. Couldn't handle it. It's at 89,05. That's on the short-term basis. Larger term, what you have is that you have a very large ABC structure on the way down. Let's go take a look at some of the earnings out here. You got Allergen. This Allergen closed at Align Technology. Sorry, Align Technology. This is the vision system for your teeth. That closed at $270, down $669. That is trading at $291. So that took back what it had given up, and $291. That looks like it's going to be an all-time high. Yep, it's going to be an all-time high. So let's see what they have to say. They're paying up. Whatever's in here, I'm not sure. Okay, so the revenue, net revenue, the estimate was 396. They did 421. Boy, there's a lot of different numbers in there. Bottom line is that the market is buying it, and the market is bidding it up about $20. You stay right there, folks. We're going to be coming back with our man, Mr. Andy Heck. Dow Industrials right now closed down 362. Nasdaq off 64. S&P's down 29. We're going to be right back.